So I want to do an additional Bitcoin breakout update. I've been commentating on this breakout ever since it started here, which was this all-important 200-day line there. In fact, we go to the big picture chart. Let's just look at that for 1 second so you can see where I was coming from. After this massive descent, it's a classic turnaround. It gets back above the moving averages, and the moving averages start curling up again. This is the cycle that plays out on stocks. Bitcoin's no different to anything else. They all follow the same patterns. It's very, very easy to spot when it gets orderly like it has done right now. So you can see on this channel that I said a good buy point will be when this thing pulls back after the breakout, and there it was, and up it went again. Let's look at the day-to-day chart now, and you can see this is getting really very orderly indeed, which is a good thing for Bitcoin. It means it's maturing. It's not getting so crazy. So you might notice that there is some classic boxing action going on here, also known as the Davos box. And you can see every time it cools down, comes back, and then pops up on this heavy volume here, which is the gray bars up, and then new boxes form. And often these boxes are at regular increments, and this one could be making $5 increments. So it looks like there's one at 18, then another one will be at 23. Below that, there'd be one at 13, and below that, 5 below that, there would be about $8. So you can see $8, 13, 18, and this is the classic boxing up picture. So a good entry point around now could be somewhere if this thing pulls back to around GBTC, of course, we're looking at, which is a much more predictable and chartable version than the actual coin. But you could use this as a proxy to actually trade the coin. It's the same, it's measuring the same thing. I just find this is a lot more stable and reliable to use as a guide. So pull back to 18 around here would be a great entry position to add or join the party if you feel like you've joined too late. And if you're up here and you're wondering what's going on, it's pulled back down again, then as long as it stays in that box like we saw here and here, then all is going according to plan. So I will keep commentating, of course, and don't forget, go to Stock Gossip Filter and you can get a lot of cool stuff, especially being on the watch list, where you can get the updates, the most important updates on the most important things faster than watching the channel. I'll speak to you soon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you can get immediate alerts when this stock and other ones like it are in play. If you want to learn how to read charts like the ones I just showed you for free, as well as many other free bonuses and trading tools, once again, here it is, stockgossipfilter.com. I'll speak to you soon.